YouTube, welcome back to my channel. I am your host for this here video today, Cleannnnnn, and I'm back to bring you another sneaker review, on foot, things of that nature. So let's hop right into the video, and I want to say, if you're new to the channel, welcome. OGs, welcome back to the channel, and let's hop right into the review. As you've seen the title of the video and the thumbnail, you know this is the Supreme Air Force One black and white colorway. And you know, this pair did sell out. I don't know if it was limited or what. I haven't seen restocks, but we do know the black and white and red pair have been restocking like throughout the whole year. So I don't know if we'll see this pair and an all black and white pair restocking throughout the year as well, but you know, keep your eye out. But for right now, they are sold out. So let me go ahead and get to this unboxing. Extra paper in with your box. You do get your Supreme sticker right here. Love that. Love extras. Nothing else inside that box. Okay, put that to the side. And then you get your classic Air Force One Supreme box. It has Supreme on that side, Supreme on that side in red. And then on this side, you know, you get the black Nike on the top of the box and on the side. And then here is the sizing label right here. Hopefully that's coming in clear. And it does read Air Force One Low SP. I would assume that's special project. And the colorway is white, black, white. Simple. Flip lid. You do get a red stamp right here on the top of the flip lid. One sheet of tissue paper. And then you get a second layer of like tissue paper as well. And here are the kicks. Yeah, these are pretty clean, man. I will say, in my opinion, these are definitely clean. Just didn't get that out. And okay, that's fire. So you do get an extra pair of spare laces with this pair as well. That has all white with Supreme and black all over. And actually that might look better than just the plain white that's in here. That's fire. Okay, let's see what else we have inside the box. Nothing else inside the box, but you will get a green sticker as well when your box do come. So like I said, this pair is sold out, but if you're getting off the secondary market, just make sure your box comes just like that. There's a branding on the back of the box as well. So I'm gonna put this right here to the side. And that's enough of the box. Now let's get into the kicks. Okay. Okay, yeah, these are clean, man. This the way they did this. I'll get into like what my only gripe is about the shoe. Actually there's two, but other than that, this is a clean shoe. So without further ado, let's jump into the Nike Air Force One Low Supreme black and white colorway. Cool, so let's jump right into the review. It should be a quick review. It's a black and white sneaker pretty much, but outsole, got an all white outsole on the bottom of the shoe. Move up to the midsole, got an all white midsole. You got your Nike right there, whited out as well. Black swoosh, all white upper leather. You got Supreme right there on the heel in that black and white, which is fire. I do love that hit that they put on the Air Force Ones. Moving to the toe box, see you got a swoosh right there, right above the toe box right there. And then in the metal piece right here has Air Force One Supreme on that metal eyelet right there. All whited out Nike Air Force One on the tongue at the upper right here. Hopefully that's coming in clear. This is all white shoe, so hopefully that's focusing. You do get shoe trees with this pair. In the inside, you should get your actual sizing tag. Put this to the side right here. You should get your sizing tag in the inside, and then Supreme right there in that red. And underneath of that, it has Nike Air whited out, all white insole, and you got white sock liner as well. So we all know the deal about that. That's definitely gonna get dingy over time. Now medial side, just like the lateral side, same color blocking, same difference. That's pretty much it. The right shoe, same as the left shoe, same color blocking. There's no difference. I thought the actual metal eyelet on the front would say something different, but it does say AF1 Supreme, so Air Force One Supreme on the metal eyelet right there at the front of the toe box. And that's pretty much it, man. So the only gripe I have with the shoe, the only thing that I would have changed on here, I love when my Air Force Ones, there's a couple things. So whatever color the swoosh is, like the actual accent color is on the shoe, this little part right here, this little lip going around the outsole, and you got the star right there on the front. This little lip right here, I like for that color to be the same color as the swoosh, and you know, whatever accent color it is. And also I like for the air that's right here to be the same color as the accent color. Like for instance, they should have made that black. And also the Nike Air in the back should have made that black as well to make that stand out, make that pop. For some reason they whited those two things out. I don't know if they just wanted the Supreme on the side to stand out more or what it was, but I normally like my Air Force Ones to have those different accent colors on those portions of the shoe. It just makes the Air Force One look better. And let me see if I got one here that I can kind of give you an example. So we can use the Kobe's for right now as a good example of that. You can see right here, it's in yellow. You can see the Nike Air right here, that's along the bottom of the shoe, is in that yellow as well. And that whole line going around the lateral to the medial side is in yellow. And then you can see in the back, where normally we say Nike Air, right now this is in purple and white, but you see how the whole back tab is yellow and it stands out. So, you know, making this whole back tab, if they had made this whole back tab black to match the swoosh, and then the Nike Air could have stayed in white, that would have made it pop even more. So that's what I mean by the back tab, and then this little lip going around the outsole, along with the Nike Air being in the accent colors of the swoosh. They would have did it like that, then I think this would have been 10 out of 10. Right now, this is a nice clean shoe. I think they brought it out too late. Summertime is ending, and people don't normally wear all white shoes in the winter, but this is a clean colorway, and the silhouette is timeless. So for me, these are a go. So with that being said, if you stayed to the end of the video, thank you. I appreciate all the support. We're gonna go ahead and jump into the on feet. Like, comment, subscribe, share the channel, and until the next video, I'm out.
Dying one.
Rob. Rock man enough.
I know. The way I'm dipping steps so fresh, they call me Manny. Plus the crossover so cold, it come in handy. Every day I shoot a movie, call me Stanley. Can't walk a mile off in my shoes if you can't stand me. So exclusive, this only for friends and family. We up on sneaks and they so geek, we high on fashion. What's up, what's happening? I'm extra fresh out the package, shipping and handling. Life in 4D, I'm an OG like Jordan 03, yeah. It's getting OC, the fashion on me, they tryna clone me, yeah. Shot the DE for the 3P, I'm like Kobe, yeah. The passion feed me, yeah. I know you see me, yeah. Dying one. I'm so white, this world, they say I'm gone. About to eat the game up like a one time. Done. I'm done one. I'm so white, this world, they say I'm gone. About to eat the game up like a one time. Done